All right, so I wanted to let you know and remind you that there's only a week left to get our technical analysis for option traders course at a discount. So if you haven't followed us over the last couple of weeks, we did launch a brand new course. It is called Technical Analysis for Option Traders. So that's what it looks like. You can save $50 by typing in a coupon code, ChartsLove14, during the checkout process. And that just kind of helps rewards you for following us, for watching the videos, for being a part of the newsletter, for purchasing other previous products as well. So this is pretty much the only time that we do discount specials and promotions. I don't do it that often because otherwise you're just playing with price. In that case, you might as well just raise the rate higher and just give coupon codes all the time. So, so I just always try to make it as fair as possible as far as the courses and the value that you're getting. And in this course, it's over 7 hours of training and education and 23 modules when you're looking at how do I use technicals within my option trades? How much emphasis should I give the technicals for my option trades? When do I take profits based on the charts or based on the technicals? So that's what this course is really all about. It's not for people that are just interested in learning how charts work as far as the basics like Bollinger Bands, how do they kind of function. We're going to go into those things, but not like things like, hey, what's a candlestick or how do I read a chart? We'll get into some basics into that, but not really in as much detail as some of the other courses I have. So the things that we cover in this course are already released. And that is basically right here. We released it January 19th and January 26th. We're looking at basically the introduction to the course, the priority as you trade, regarding the technicals, breaking down your portfolio and capital usage. We're looking at the different indicators, like which do you pick? How do you pick these things? A few thoughts as you start looking at the technicals within your trading, different charting platforms you can use, moving averages to look at future price projections. How do those apply in your option trades, right? So we're talking about how do we set the option trades up from the technicals or using the technicals. How much weight do we give them? How do we use those moving averages to set up that option trade? Top 3 things to watch as you evaluate charts, which is going to be price, action, and behavior. And how do we see those things? How do we make sense of all of that? What is wide price spread and why it's important, and how do you spot those on the charts? Looking at the different time frames and how to evaluate them on the charts. We'll look at the basics to understanding Bollinger Bands with your trading, and then we'll look at applying them with option trades. We'll look at average true range. We'll look at RSI. We'll look at stochastics. We'll look at some of these big name technical analysis indicators and how do they apply in the option trades. Do I use them at the beginning? Do I use them at the middle of the option trade? Do I use them at the end of it? How do I combine it? How do I look at these things? How do I see them for what they are, and how much emphasis should I really give them? So that's what we're looking at as far as this course goes. If you're interested in getting it, visit our website. You can go to tradersfly.com and then just scroll down. There's the course. You can also see many of the other courses I have available by just clicking courses. And then you can see if you're brand new to option trading, there's the foundation course. And I would say that this course fits in a little bit after the foundation. So if you have some basics with option trades, then you'd be getting this course. I wouldn't get this course before you're even doing options. So this is definitely for people who are already doing some options or looking at options. But if you don't even know what options are, you're better off to get the Options Mastery Foundations course and then kind of go from there. And then after that, you're fine to get the technical analysis course or move kind of through the progression of the different courses. And, so if you get this course early on, you can go ahead and save that $50 and gives you a little bonus to continue your education, save some money towards future products and material, and continue to just learn and grow. And if you want to get more insight on option traders, just go to the Getting Started page right here. If you're just really brand new, Options Trading 101, and that'll help kick things in gear. There's a lot of great freebies to download, courses, membership, and coaching. If you want to do a one-on-one session with me as well by video, you can book a coaching session. And for those of you that are very dedicated, there's also mentoring where we can spend 6 months plus with you working like together on your trading. So definitely check out this course. There's a lot of knowledge and information there for people who are interested in using some of the charts to their benefit with their option trades. Check out our website, tradersfly.com. That's where you can get a list of all those courses, and including this one, to go ahead to purchase it, go through the checkout, and you can save a little bit of money. But once the coupon code expires, right, just like any other sale, once it expires, then the sale is done. The sale is over, right? So don't email us back and asking, hey, I missed the sale by a day or two. Can you go ahead and give us a new coupon code? No, it just kind of really makes the team spend a little more time dealing with the customer support and waste a bit of time. So instead, get it early. You've had plenty of time, and you have another week to go before the sale ends. So go ahead and make the purchase if you're interested in this course, and you'll get a lot out of the material. And if you're not happy with it, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee where, hey, let us know what you didn't like about the course. Let us know what's missing, and we can always add to the course and the material. And that way we can just continue to evolve it and make it that much better. And anyway, thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoy the rest of your week ahead. If you want to grab those freebies, click the link right over here, or subscribe to the YouTube channel by clicking this other link, or seeing other great videos. In the end, remember, there's more to life than just money. Go out, do what you love, contribute to other people, but most importantly, live life abundantly. I'll see you next time in the next video or in the course.